Hey, did you know at Cloudera, our marketing operations team has realized how AI can play a role in powering smarter marketing? By bringing together our trusted data, connected technology, and intelligent workflows, our team is able to use AI to uncover insights faster, spot customer signals sooner, and drive more relevant engagement. With Cloudera's platform as the foundation, AI is not working in isolation. It's working from high quality, unified data, making it more actionable and relevant to our business needs. Leveraging Cloudera AI, we built an operational application for persona service transformation. This application is allowing us to keep pace with the high volume of data and shift manual work to AI workflows, all while maintaining consistent governed output for downstream systems and processes. We've talked to other marketing operations leaders, and they tell us they're working towards unlocking these same values. Here, we're bringing AI to our data, anywhere, to make it more actionable and our marketing more connected, responsive, and effective.